A historic deadline has passed, and it's sending shockwaves across the whole world. Iran, Russia, China, three powerful allies, one bold move. They have just written to the United Nations Secretary General, a message that changes the rule of the game. The letter is clear. UN Security Council Resolution 2231 is terminated. No ifs, no buts, no more restrictions now. You know why this matters? Because Resolution 2231 was the backbone of 2015 Iran nuclear deal, the JCPOA. It suspended nuclear-related sanctions and promised the world that Iran's nuclear program would stay peaceful. But the US, they walked away in 2018, and not just walked away, ladies and gentlemen, it slammed Iran with illegal unilateral sanctions. Then came the European allies, that means the UK, France, Germany, who tried to restore sanctions later this year, citing alleged nuclear violation, allegations that the IAEA itself has never verified. Now, Iran, Russia and China say that enough is enough. The resolution expired on October 18, 2025, and with that date, all precisions of UNSC 223A, they are over. They are sending a clear message. Western attempts to impose sanctions are illegal. Here, of course, they are talking about the US. And the so-called snapback, not valid. The letter is firm. It calls out Europe and the US. You gave up your commitments under the deal. You have no right to bring back the sanctions. You lack standing. Now, this isn't just legal talk. It's a diplomatic earthquake. It signals a shift in global power dynamics, and it strengthens the authority of the United Nations Security Council if it chooses to respect the law. Now, the trio is also sending a signal to the world. Diplomacy must come first. Create a peaceful environment, work together, or face the consequences of unilateral actions. Now, for years, this issue has been a power kick. Sanctions, accusations, threats. But now, Iran, Russia and China have drawn a line in the sand. And the West? Well, they must decide, follow international law or risk the isolation here. Because you know what? In 2025, the world is watching. Every move counts. Every word carries weight. And Resolution 2231 is officially dead.